So, hey everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. Today, we are going to talk about Llama 3.1, which was just leaked. After the launch of Llama 3 by Meta, we know that Meta bought a huge number of GPU from Nvidia to train the next Llama model. They clearly mentioned they are training the next Llama model with 400 billion parameters. From this, many people knew Meta was going to do something significant. If you want to know more about Llama 3, you can check out this video. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, but before, if you are looking for a website where you can get all the latest news plus the latest AI tools, you can explore our website called simplifyai.in. Here, you can find things like AI-related magazines, a dedicated section only for trending AI tools, courses, and webinars. I will provide the link in the description for your convenience. Okay, now, the Llama 3.1, a 405 billion parameter model, leaks are pretty insane. The last 24 hours have been quite crazy. We have heard everything from model leaks to benchmark leaks, and I thought I'd give you a foreshadowing of what is going to happen in the rest of the week. It could be either in a few hours, tomorrow, or sometime this week. This model is absolutely going to be launched by Meta. This is a pretty crazy model. You wouldn't have ever seen a model like this because of the benchmarks. The benchmarks have at least been leaked on local Llama, and the benchmarks are from Azure. This repository has been taken down at this point, and the same goes for the model leaks. The leaked model was uploaded on Hugging Face. Imagine, an 820 GB model was uploaded on Hugging Face but has since been taken down. A funny thing about this is that people have been asking, where can I download some more RAM? I found it fascinating that people ask questions like this. If we take a look at the benchmarks, you might actually be mind blown that this model is better than GPT-4 in almost every single aspect. Meta has truly developed a model that is surpassing proprietary models. Take a look at the first two columns, GPT-4 and Meta Llama 3.1 with 405 billion parameters. We hope this is real because this information comes from the Azure repository, although the repo is gone now. But if this is real, look at the benchmarks such as GSM-8K, Math Test, HelloSwag, and Human Evaluation. GPT-4 was still better in human evaluation and some other metrics like MLU, which I won't focus on here. Then you have other benchmarks like VQA and Social IQA. In all these benchmarks, except for a very few, Meta Llama 3.1 with 405 billion parameters performs remarkably well. The differences become even more pronounced when comparing the 7 billion parameter model of Meta Llama 3.1 to GPT-4. For instance, in human evaluation, GPT-4 scored 0.92 while the 70 billion model scored 0.79, close to 80. On other benchmarks, it's almost on par, and in some benchmarks, it even outperforms GPT-4. I'm not sure if Meta is engaging in benchmark hacking, but I don't think that is the case. The most important fact is not just that this benchmark is super impressive, but also that it has achieved a significant improvement over the previous model. For example, Llama 3 with 70 billion parameters had an 83% score on GSM-8K, and this new model scores 94%. The Llama 3 with 70 billion parameters had a human evaluation score of around 39%, and this new model scores 79%. So, across almost all benchmarks, it has seen a huge upgrade over the existing Llama 3 with 70 billion parameters. I'm not even talking about that as the highlight. The real highlight, the punchline of this entire thing, is that this is not an instruct model, this is just the base model. And the base model itself has metrics like these. If you want to fine-tune a 405 billion parameter model, it is going to have insane scores on benchmarks. I'm already starting to explore ways to host and run this model, but I believe providers like Together AI or Grok will start hosting it. Now, let's forget about the 70 billion parameter model for a moment. Even if you take the 8 billion parameter model, there is a significant upgrade. It seems like there are going to be 3 models getting launched. The Llama 3.1, 8 billion parameter model, the Llama 3.1 with 70 billion parameter model, and the Llama 3.1, a 405 billion parameter model. One thing I'm not very sure about is whether it is also going to be a multimodal model. I'm honestly not sure if the differences are this significant. We also do not know if Meta has engaged in benchmark hacking, such as training the model specifically on the datasets used for benchmarking. All these facts will become clear only after we have the model in our hands. I wanted to share this information because there have been a lot of rumors. Keep your eyes and ears open because this model might launch at any time. The model might already be available on torrent, but I don't know if there's any easy way for you to run it. If I were you, I would probably wait for Grok or Together AI to deploy this model, then we can start using it without the colossal effort of setting it up ourselves. Either way, this is excellent news for the open source community, open weights, and open models. I'm not sure what the licensing will be. There have been a lot of regulatory requirements from the White House about what kinds of models can be released and their parameters. I'm not sure what Mark Zuckerberg is planning, but if this model launches, it could significantly impact proprietary model holders. Let's look forward to the model's release. Keep your eyes and ears open. So, this is Simplify AI. And I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.